sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
Hey guys! Sorry, welcome to our channel. So anyway guys, today this is our first time we're gonna do this, guys. So anyway, papakita namin sa inyo kung ano gagawin namin. What we're gonna do today, baby?
We're gonna go for a car wash, but instead of washing your car with machines, you get a hose and you...
Yes, so we're gonna do car wash, then we're gonna show you where, like, itself, actually.
So
okay?
self-wash.
Yes, we're gonna go there. Okay,
Oh
that's
my God.
the location. This one is at like 24 hours. JT Coin Wash. So we are gonna go here.
Stop.
Then from here we have to go out, and I think we have to do it by ourselves. But I think this is the time, right? So the time is gonna be there. See? You see the one? Yung nagbiblink na yun.
Dad, can I help wash?
So it's like $4 daw
Can I help
po
wash, Dad?
yun kada wash. Okay.
I wanna wash.
Okay guys, so we're gonna show you. Daddy will gonna do it. So actually we don't know how to do it, so we're just gonna try it. Daddy will gonna do it. Yan guys, so nagka-car-wash po. Like, they call here like self-car wash po yata itong tawag dito. Yeah. Finish it. Huh? I still have what? Okay, so yun po. So, ito yung aming pag-aano. So, itadry na lang namin po si Mighty. So, right now, nandito pa rin kami, guys. So, tinan nyo, ang dami nagka-car wash. Ito nagka-car wash, oh. So, many people's doing car wash, oh. Kasi nga, maganda yung weather. Kaya yun. Dami. Where's Daddy?
This is fun.
Oh, there you go.
Also, yeah, that's kind of just... Also, yeah.
Daddy still have a soap. Okay guys, so ito po, nalinisan na po ang aming sasakyan. Ganun pala yun. Like, mabilisan talaga siya. Pero not bad. For $4, kasama na ang sabon. Actually, meron pa nga dong isa hindi mo ginamit yung other blue one. Yun yung blower, sir.
Wait, what? We were in the...
But you're supposed to use pala the brush for soap. If the sprayer is already with the soap, right?
Why are we doing
It's a brush, right?
Yeah, but the thing is, why...
Soap cannot do nothing without the brush.
Yeah,
so
but the thing is, why that's the last one that
it's
you use?
supposed to be two people. Very much easy.
That's why, what
That's
the
not
hell?
bad. Actually, that's not bad though. So, actually, guys, that's our first time to do that one. Pero nakakatuwa lang yung experience namin kasi nga. Anyway, so enjoy naman siya. Mabilis ang car wash talaga siya, guys, as in. Tapos paglabas ng sasakyan may sabon-sabon pa sa harapan. Pero okay lang. Nakuha naman ng punas. And it's good. Better than na pupunta kami sa car wash na yung machine talaga ang magka-car wash. And that one, I think it's cost like $12. But this one's only $4, guys. So, dapat meron pa nga kaming natitirang $1 pa eh. So, next time, alam na namin kung anong nataranta lang talaga kami ni Miguel nung inisprayan na siya ni tatay kasi nga mababasa kami. So, anyway, pag uwi sa bahay, eh, mag-aano na kami. Sa bahay na lang namin lilinisin yung loob. Yeah, kasi it's too crowded inside doon. Ang daming tao. Kasi nga dahil nga sa magandang weather. Kaya yung mga tao talagang todo linis rin ng sasakyan. Kasi nga 'di ba after winter, yun nga yun, so nakakatuwa lang. So that's a nice and good experience ba. So are you have fun, baby?
Yeah, I had so much fun. Look, I cleaned the morning smoke cup.
As in, nung nasprayan na siya, nagtatatalon si Miguel. He wants to do it. Kaso lang kasi guys, may timer kasi. Kaya dapat talaga mabilisan talaga yung pag-spray. Yun nga. So anyway, guys, tapusin na po namin tong vlog na to. So I hope you're gonna like this video. Don't forget to comment below and press the notification button para po lagi kayong nanonotify sa aming mga bagong vlog. And also please don't forget to subscribe sa our channel. Okay guys? So anyway, have a good day and take care. Bye! Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye!